Hi, I'm Sushrut and I work on Bito. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can connect Bito to your Bitbucket account. Let's get started. First of all, log into Bito and under the code review section, go to repositories. Here you can see all the Git providers that Bito supports. And since we are going to set it up for Bitbucket, let's click on Bitbucket. Here you have to input two things. The first is your Bitbucket username. I'll drop mine here. And the next thing you need is an app password. So to create an app password, click on this button and you'll be redirected to this page. Here, label it anything. I'll say code reviews by Bito, and you need to have these permissions. So have a look very carefully. Account read, pull requests write, and webhooks read and write. Then create, and here is your app password. Copy it and go back to Bito, drop the app password here and authorize. Once you authorize, you'll be allowed to select your Bitbucket workspace. In this case, it's Bito JTM, and then I'll connect Bito to Bitbucket. Now our Bitbucket account is connected to Bito, and here you can see all of our repositories listed here. We can just enable and disable code reviews for these respective repositories one by one, or can also mass update or mass enable or mass disable code reviews for these repositories. Now let me show you how Bito actually works in Bitbucket. Here is a sample PR, and you can see this is a summary by Bito about what the pull request is about. This pull request addresses critical bugs in the ATM interface by renaming classes, updating method parameters, etc. Then it gives you a change list where you can see what are the key changes and what are the key files that are impacted here. Now let's look at some of the suggestions that Bito does. For example, here balance is equal to withdraw plus balance. This is the withdrawal flow. The user in this code is trying to withdraw amount from the ATM, and the code attempts to validate and update the balance after the withdrawal. So it says incorrect withdrawal logic. This statement adds the withdrawal amount to the balance instead of subtracting it. This will increase the balance when the user is withdrawing money. So Bito gives you a suggestion to fix this. Instead of addition, subtract the balance and withdraw, right? Now let's look at another bug that Bito found here. This condition, it is logically broken. It says balance is greater than withdraw and balance is less than 0, but that can never happen, right? If your balance is 0, it cannot also be greater than the amount that you are trying to withdraw. So in this PR, the balance is initialized to minus 100,000, and so this condition is always false. So this is how Bito suggests a fix. If balance is greater than or equal to withdraw and balance is greater than 0. Pretty cool, right? So this is how you can connect Bito to your Bitbucket account, and this is how actually Bito runs in your Bitbucket instance. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Bito team. Thank you.